Hi everybody, this is Hopelele, and today we're gonna be reviewing A68 Air from MCHOSE. It's a high-tech keyboard with 8K polling rate, hot swappable switches, very low latency, and everything is in the real solid case. My version has Kyle GOT switches, they seem to be fine, and here's a little closer look at them. So I actually bought it for 50 bucks from AliExpress, but on the official site it's 72 USD now. So for colors we have black, peach gradient, rose, and white, as usual. So let's see what we have in this keyboard. As far as I see, we have RGB light box, 5-layer of hi-fi acoustic dampening, floating design of the keycaps, ultra low latency, and 8K polling rate with a 256K scan rate. Let's open the WebDriver, and on the first page, you'll see the lighting settings. Here you can choose the lighting effects, brightness and speed, and as always, colors. You can also change colors and effects of the backlight and of the light box as well. But let's go to the trigger page now. So this is your main page. Here you can select your press and release sensitivities. Here I use usually 0.3 millimeters, but you can go and choose 0.02 millimeters, which is insane. Here you can see I have my magnetic GOT switches already calibrated, and I recommend calibrate all your switches while you change them because they will work accurately. Here we have a berserk mode, as you can see. So you can choose here 0.01 millimeter or even 0.05 millimeters actuation points. And this is unstable. 100% unstable, so I do not recommend it at all. On the performance page, you have polling rate settings where you can choose 8K, 4K, 2K, 1K. You have stability mode, and you also have adaptive dynamic calibration mode, which is in beta. In conclusion, I will say that it's a good keyboard. For its price, it has no competitors. It feels smooth, it has weight, and even drivers are not broken. It's a solid 9 out of 10, and I will recommend it. This was my first review, and I apologize for low quality, but yeah, it was Hopefully, and see ya.